So, good evening everyone. So, sa difficult to index naman, ang formula dito is, I think difficulty equals to TCS, which is total correct score, divided by TNS, which is the total number of students. So, sa tally naman, test item number 1, the correct answer dito is 8. Tapos, ang wrong answer naman is 28. So, I think sa test item number 2, ang number of correct answer is 15. Tapos, ang number of wrong answer is 21. Sa test item number 3, ang number of correct answer is 11. Tapos, ang number of wrong answer naman is 25. Sa test item number 4, ang number of correct answer is 6, tapos sa number of wrong answer naman is 30. Sa test item number 5, ang number of correct answer is 24. And sa test item number 6, ang number of correct answer is 35. And ang number of wrong answer naman is 1. Sa test item number 7, ang number of correct answer is 27 and ang number of wrong answer naman is 9. Sa test item number 8, ang number of correct answer dito is 4. Tapos ang number of wrong answer naman is 32. Sa test item number 9, ang number of correct answer is 2. Tapos ang number of wrong answer naman is 34. Sa test item number 10, ang number of correct answer is 36. Ang number of wrong answer naman is wala. Tapos sa test item number 11, ang number of correct answer is 31 and ang number of wrong answer is 5. Sa test item number 12, ang number of correct answer is 17. Tapos ang number of wrong answer is 19. Sa item number 13, ang number of correct answer is 6. Tapos ang number of wrong answer naman is 30. Sa number 14, ang number of correct answer is 4 and ang number of wrong answer is 32. Sa test item number 15 naman, same lang siya sa test item number 14, which is the correct answer is 4 and the wrong answer is 32. Sa test item number 16, ang number of correct answer is 7 and ang wrong answer naman is 29. Sa test item number 17, ang correct answer is 3 and ang wrong answer naman is 33. Sa test item number 18, ang number of correct answer is 10 at ang number of wrong answer naman is 26. Sa item number 19, ang number of correct answer is 4 and ang number of wrong answer naman is 32. Sa test item number 20, ang number of correct answer is 12 and ang number of wrong answer naman is 24. Sa test items number 21, ang number of correct answer is 36 and ang number of wrong answer is wala. Sa test item number 22, ang number of correct answer is 33 and ang wrong answer naman is 3. Sa test item number 23, ang number of correct answer is 24 and number of wrong answer naman is 12. Sa test item number 24, ang correct answer is 28 and ang wrong answer is 8. Sa test item number 25, ang correct answer is 28 and ang wrong answer is 8. Sa test item number 26, ang correct answer is 12 and the wrong answer is 24. Sa test item number 27, ang correct answer is 27 and ang wrong answer is 9. Sa test item number 28, ang correct answer is 25 and ang wrong answer is 11. Sa test items number 29, ang correct answer is 31 and ang number of wrong answer is 5. Sa test item number 30 naman, ang correct answer dito is 17 at ang wrong answer naman is 19. So, yun po ang sa difficulty index. Okay na, Lina.